I'm Colby Grennan, and this is my science fair project. The problem statement is, what is the relationship between density and buoyancy? Hypothesis was, if an object has a density greater than 1.5 grams per milliliter, then it will sink, and objects with a density lower than 1.5 grams per milliliter will float. I tested 5 objects: a rock, a block of wood, a penny, a magic rub eraser, and a golf ball. I then calculated the density of all objects using the formula density equals mass divided by volume. This is the rock. It had a density of 2.48 grams per milliliter. And it sunk. This is the block of wood. It had a density of 0.612 grams per milliliter. And it floated. The penny, it had a density of 6.5 grams per milliliter, and as you can see, it sunk. This is the Magic Rub eraser. It had a density of 1 grams per milliliter, and as you can see, it sunk. This is the golf ball. It had a density of 1.027 grams per milliliter. And it sunk. The block of wood was the only object that floated. All of the rest sunk. Water has a density of 1 grams per milliliter. It was concluded that any object with the density greater than 1 will sink, and any object with the density lower than 1 will float. The block of wood was the only object to float because it was the only object that had a density under 1 grams per milliliter. When an object has a density greater than water, the water is no longer able to hold the object. The surface tension breaks and then the object sinks.